Does this look like you? Begging people to stay or becoming too attached to your partner? Do you have an intense fear of being alone or having to make everyday decisions? Are you considered submissive and in need of constant reassurance? If you're experiencing any of those things, you are not alone. You could be among the 1 million Americans who suffer from dependent personality disorder or DPD. People who suffer from dependent personality disorder could have difficulty making everyday decisions. They may need others to assume responsibility for most major areas of life. They may have difficulty expressing disagreement due to fear of loss of support, feel uncomfortable and helpless when alone. They may urgently seek another relationship as a source of support when a close relationship ends, or have unrealistically preoccupied with fears of having to take care of yourself. DPD is actually the most frequently diagnosed personality disorder and is equally among men and women. This disorder is usually diagnosed in early to middle adulthood. It is marked by helplessness, submissiveness, and a constant need for reassurance. If you suffer from the disorder, you may even find it difficult to make simple decisions without help from others. A person suffering from the disorder may also have an intense fear of abandonment. They may be more likely to put up with mistreatment or abuse from a spouse or someone close to them. They will jump from one relationship to another for fear of being alone. This disorder, although has no clear reason for why these symptoms may appear, studies have shown that there are biological and developmental factors. Children who have strict parents or who have been abandoned will often develop this disease. Authoritative parental figures could cause their children to develop this disease as they never are allowed to make decisions on their own, so they will constantly rely on someone else to do that for them. And children who have been abandoned will always have the fear of the person who is supposed to look after them abandoning them. And this could cause them to attach themselves to whoever has picked up after their parents have left them. If you or someone you know are experiencing any of these symptoms, do not fear. Psychotherapy has proven to be a form of treatment that is extremely successful. Although there is no for sure cure for this disorder, there are proven treatments that can help. Please seek out professional help if you feel like any of these symptoms fit you before you try to self-diagnose. There is help out there for you, and you are not alone. The first step is finding a therapist that you trust. You can search for a therapist in your area just with a simple Google search or ask around. Seeing a therapist is a lot more normal than you would think. If you or someone you know is in immediate danger, please call 911. If you are in danger of hurting yourself or know someone who is, here are some numbers that you can call to kind of help you. The Mental Health America hotline, you can text 741741 and text that number with the text MHA, and it's a nationwide organization that provides assistance through this text line. You can also call 1-800-273-8255, and it is the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. They will connect you with someone who can help offer you some support in need of whatever it is that you're going through at that time. You can also text connect to 741741, and they will connect you with a counselor who can help you as well. You are not alone in this disorder. Please seek out the help that you need.